Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Life. I got many requests to make a video on lockdown routine, how to manage kids, how to manage household chores. So consider this video as a part 1 of lockdown series where I will be sharing few lockdown friendly tips from our home to yours. Now let's get started. My daughter was having her online classes every day from Monday to Saturday. I was trying to manage between kitchen and catch up with her classwork or homework. So while she is busy attending the class, I used to start lunch and dinner prep in the kitchen. My husband is having his office as well, work from home. So in the morning time, he is mostly busy with office work. Before office starts, he tries to help with utensils or mopping. I have kept our menus very simple, like in breakfast only boiled moong dal or poha, which takes very less time to prepare, and as you can see today's lunch menu is rajma chawal. So I am trying to add veggies in our breakfast to balance our meals. Today's dinner we will be having sabudana khichdi. So I have already soaked the sabudana in the morning itself. So none of it is going to take more than half an hour to prepare and cook. This simple meal planning allows me to sit with my kid, take required notes for her classes. Last week her summer holidays finally started. Right now we are maintaining the same routine. In the morning, we try to finish our study as much as possible so that I can take care of household chores while she is busy in playing. Probably you must be wondering why I came up so late with all these tips. Well, I'm also sailing in the same boat with you all. This entire situation is so new and overwhelming for me as well. I didn't have all these tips handy for this lockdown. After observing what is working for me and what not, I was able to come up with few conclusions only. It might work for all of you or a few of you only, but they truly work for me. And if it does anyway, please like the video and subscribe to Home Hashtag Life, and let me know in the comment section below what you have learned from this lockdown about homemaking or household management. Summer holidays give a real tough time to working parents, but we all are aware that we need to go through this phase every year. Our plans are quite simple for this summer holiday. Morning study and few drawing sessions, afternoon free play and TV time, in evenings a little bit of study or dance practice. Finally at night we play some family game or watch any kids movies together, etc. I try to keep her engaged through few creative art, craft and activities while I cook in the kitchen. You will be able to find so many kids craft or drawing videos on YouTube or Pinterest. Of course we too do have few days where sometimes some things does not go as well planned. Some days are very good, some days are very bad, but we keep moving as a family, and that's our goal, to be happy together rather than trying to achieve perfection of being good at whatever we do. In pursuit of perfection, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Remember, it's vacation time as well, the much awaited summer vacation for all of us. Nowadays, it seems the screens are the biggest enemy of our kids. I don't think so. I believe excess of anything is bad. Spending too much time on anything turns out to be harmful for our kids, be it junk food or TV or even study. When they are watching TV, make sure you are letting them watch the content suited for them, not just anything. We should avoid kids sitting with us and watching our shows, as almost all the kids have tendency to peek at anything running on the TV. Try to teach our kids the difference between theirs and our shows. Make them watch educational cartoons which delivers good messages. Pihu loves to watch Dora the Explorer, Daniel the Tiger, Wish and Poof, etc. Mostly her watch time varies. We don't have fixed schedule on that. She has to earn the screen time by doing respective chores assigned to her. The whole point is to be mindful what they are watching and ensuring that it has positive effect on our kids' behavior. We love to see our kids playing and being engaged in so many activities like drawing, dancing, etc. But sometimes we forgot to teach them life skills or simply ignore it thinking it's too early for them. I have observed it should start at an early age, which gives them sufficient time to incorporate it as a habit and make them realize the importance of household chores. It is very much our responsibility to teach them and make them understand how life works in difficult situations. They might understand some and ignore others, but still answer their queries and try to deliver the answer in a very simple word so that their mind can absorb it meaningfully. Engage them in basic cleaning just with simple water and a cleaning rag, or activities like folding clothes, straighten up cushions on sofa, or filling the water bottles. Don't forget to appreciate them once the task is done. Starting these things in early age will get them accustomed to it and help in getting connected with us and home. Recently, I read an article on Hindustan Times about perfectly imperfect mothers. I will try to share the link in the description box below, so give it a try. Not every day is same, but I still try to spend time with her as much as possible. My daughter is 6 years old and her only demand is to play with her all day long, but that's really not possible for me. I mostly play with my daughter in the afternoon and in the evening time. We need to find some unconventional places in our home to let them play. By this way, they feel the excitement, they play for long, not getting bored with same surroundings. Toy game rotations and allowing them to play at times in balcony or even living room makes them feel better, considering they are not allowed to go out and meet friends. Let me mention, this is not everyday situation in our home. We too face so many ups and downs, but try to learn from different situations and improve, trying to be better next day. I simply love planning my day. If not every day, then at least most of the days, especially morning routines and meal plan. Probably you might not be a planner person, or maybe don't like to planning in advance. But if you are really feeling overwhelmed during this lockdown times, then why not to give it a try? To start with, try to follow daily routines or meal planning. You just need a pen and a paper and few of your family's favorite recipes, and that's how you can start your meal planning journey. I'm also not so good in following them religiously, but whenever I do, trust me, it definitely makes visible difference in our day-to-day life. During this lockdown, I don't get much help, and as you know, all of our responsibilities have increased. I cannot thank enough to my daily routines and meal plan list. Modify your daily routine to suit all your family members' schedule and plan it in a such way that everyone can contribute towards home and family. All you need is a positive mindset and a proper plan. If you found these tips helpful, then please give this video a big thumbs up and find us on Instagram and Facebook, where I share many stories, pictures from our day-to-day life. Subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. Stay home, be responsible, stay safe. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.